Hey, in this video, I'm going to take you through a 10-minute easy yoga practice. And if you're new to Roman to Yoga, I'm Casey, and I believe that everybody should have access to a high-quality yoga class. Thanks for practicing with me today. Make your way onto your back. Inhale, lift the arms up overhead and take a full body stretch. Exhale, draw the right knee in, hands to frame the knee. Draw the left knee in, hands to frame the knee. Inhale, lift the body up. Exhale, lower down. Go at your own breath's pace. Keep your ankles flexed. Draw your navel point in and up. Soften the muscles in your face. Next time your right knee lifts, clasp the hands behind your right thigh and lift and lower your foot towards the ceiling. Keep plenty of space in your knee. Your leg doesn't have to lengthen out perfectly straight today. You're exactly where you need to be. Inhale, lift the leg up. Next time the leg lifts, pause. Circle the ankle in one direction. Circle your foot in the opposite direction. If you have a yoga strap, grab it at this time. Place the yoga strap around the ball of your foot. Find stillness. Extend the leg long. Breathe in and breathe out. Focus your attention on the right here and the right now. Set the strap aside, clasp your hands behind your left thigh, and lift and lower the left foot towards the ceiling. Inhale, lift the foot up. Exhale, lower it down. Next time your leg lifts, pause. Circle out your ankle in one direction. Circle out your foot in the opposite direction. Find stillness. Grab your yoga strap if you have one handy. You can also use a belt, scarf, old t-shirt. Flex your foot. Extend the leg long. Draw your low belly in and up. Draw your chin down and back. Feel a stretch along your neck. Keep your ankles flexed. Breathe in and out through your nose. Set your strap aside. Step your feet to the wide edge of the mat, your hands in the goalpost position. Lower your knees to the left, take your gaze to the right. Lower your knees to the right, take your gaze to the left. Windshield wipe out your hips a couple of times. One breath in and one breath out. Step your feet hip-width distance apart. Place a bend in your elbows, palms to face one another. Inhale, lift the hips up off the mat. Exhale, lower the hips down. Set this into motion, and notice when you set the hips down, there's a slight curve in your low back. No flat back up against your yoga mat today. Keep that spine curved. Firmly press down into all four corners of your feet. Draw your navel point in and up. Close your eyes. And remember to breathe. Next time your hips lift up, pause. Clasp your hands underneath your hips. Lift up just a little bit higher. Find your edge. Don't hold your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Last seconds, release the pose. Draw the knees into the chest and gently rock from side to side. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the massage on your low back. Place your feet onto the ground. Press all four corners of the feet into one another. Lower the knees towards the mat. Clasp the hands onto the elbows and circle up around your head, across your side, and down towards your navel. Feel the stretch in your upper body. If you find any areas that need a little bit of extra attention, pause in that movement. But if not, continue to circle your arms out. Close your eyes. Focus on the posture at hand. Circle the arms in the opposite direction. Keep your core tight and engaged. Soften the muscles in your face. One breath in and one breath out. Clasp the hands up overhead, elbows to rest on the mat. Turn your gaze to the right and left a few times. Feel the stretch on the opposite side of your neck. And the easiest way for you, come to hands and knees. Knees in line with hips, hands in line with your shoulders. Set back the hips onto the heels. Return to hands and knees. Exhale, lower the hips down. Inhale, return to hands and knees. Keep your navel point drawn in and up. Close your eyes. Keep your gaze down in between your hands. Curl the toes under, hover the knees, set back onto the heels, and set this into motion. Focus on the present moment. Your to-do list will be waiting for you after this class. Extend the legs out long, pedal the feet out, hover the knees, and set back onto the heels. If it's too much for you to add downward dog into this practice, you can skip it today. Remember that this is your yoga practice, but find your edge. Pause for a moment in downward dog. Pedal your feet out. Make sure you take up plenty of space onto the mat. If you feel any arching in your back, back the feet up just a little bit farther, draw that low belly in, and remember to breathe. Come to sit back on your heels. Sit all the way up. And if this is uncomfortable for you, you can take a cross-legged position. Now, touch your right hand to your right heel and left hand to your left heel. Keep your gaze forward. Don't turn around and look back up at your feet. Feel the stretch in your upper body as you take movement in your camel pose. Find stillness, grab onto the heels, take your gaze to the ceiling or in front of you. Release the posture. Press the big toes together. Separate the knees to the wide edge of the mat. Extend the arms long. Walk your hands toward the right edge of the mat. Press your left shoulder blade down. Return to center. Walk your hands towards the left edge of your mat. Press your right shoulder down. Return to center. And the easiest way for you, come back onto your back. Step your feet to the wide edge of the mat, your hands in the goalpost position. Lower your knees to the right, take your gaze to the left. Lower your knees to the left, take your gaze to the right. Notice how your hips feel in this final round of windshield wipe. Hug your knees into your chest. Make your way to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Draw your hands to heart center and always commend yourself for making time for you. I hope you have a great day and thank you for practicing with me today. Bye.